Hello, this is GB and GB's Adventures. Today I decided to walk the harbor on the north side of Noyo River in Fort Bragg, California. It is October 18th, 2025. The sun is shining, the fog is hanging heavy over the ocean. People are gathering at Noyo Jetty. Some are fishing, some are blowing bubbles, some are just picnicking, but it seems like a festive day. I parked at the jetty and checked out the river and the ocean waves, and then headed back towards the Noyo Bridge and the business section of the North Harbor. I passed under the Noyo Bridge, and on the right is the Princess Seafood Restaurant having their grand reopening. A while back they had a terrible fire, but they are now completely rebuilt and ready to go. Next are two small mobile home parks, mostly tiny homes with possibly some open space for travelers. Then we go past the parking lot for what used to be Captain Flint's. Still no sign of anything changing there. I hope something happens soon. The Anchor Lodge in the parking lot across from the Wharf restaurant is getting a facelift. It will be a nice improvement. There is the Wharf restaurant overlooking the river, fine dining, great views. Across from the Wharf restaurant is Sacred Woods, an intriguing shop full of curiosities and statuary. It is October 19th, 2025. Are they a little late in warning us, or are they warning us a year ahead of time about traffic delays? This is the Department of Fish and Wildlife's main office in Noyo Harbor. Next to it is Epic Graphics. Across from Epic Graphics is the Casa Del Sol Mexican food restaurant. Really good food. This is CPAL Restaurant. Deep fried seafood, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, dining overlooking the Noyo River, and 18 beers on tap. They have bonfires in the evening and I believe are open 7 days a week. At least during the summer they are. This is Princess Seafood and Deli. You can buy fresh fish, live crabs, or get a lunch and enjoy it on the patio in the center of the harbor district. You can catch a party boat here for fishing or whale watching with all aboard adventures, and next to it is the Noyo Center for Marine Science. This is Noyo Fish Company, hands down my favorite place for lunch. Sit overlooking the Noyo River, the boat harbor, the Coast Guard, and a bunch of sea lions and other critters enjoying deep fried fish or grilled. They have excellent fish tacos, They have Caesar salad with salmon or raw cod, and they have a good selection of beer as well. Next to the Noyo Fish Company is the dock where you can pick up several different party boats for fishing and whale watching. These stairs lead up to the Noyo Harbor Inn, an excellent restaurant with beautiful views, a great place for a dinner date. The view from the Noyo River Inn is beautiful. Across the river, you can see the Noyo Coast Guard Center and the boat basin with a whole collection of different types of boats. You'll see sea life swimming by, harbor seals, sea lions, and assortment of birds. Across from the Noyo Fish Company is the Noyo Fishing Center. You can get all the fishing gear you would need, plus a nice collection of shirts, sweatshirts, and gifts. This is Schnaubelt Distillery, one of the newest additions to the harbor. They have salmon infused vodka. Sounds awful, but it's actually really good. Try it in a Bloody Mary sometime. Back to the Noyo jetty, checking out the waves, the fog coming in, and then going to the grand reopening of the Princess Restaurant with surf squatch playing and witches paddling. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much to my current subscribers, and if you enjoyed my video and want to learn more about the Noyo Harbor or Fort Bragg, California, please subscribe. Just click on my picture at the end of this video.